Hello, I'm attorney Alma Rosa Nieto, immigration attorney, with really good news for the immigrant community today. President Obama has issued an executive action this week. Now, many of you are saying, what is an executive action? What is it? What is it not? Well, what it is that the president and the immigrant community have been waiting for years for reform, for changes to the immigration system, which we all know is broken and archaic and non-effective and efficient. So he took onto his hands, and as many presidents have, Carter, President Reagan, President Bush, have done executive actions in the past as well to correct deficiencies in our system. This is what President Obama has done. This measure is not an amnesty. Amnesty was what President Reagan passed in 1986, and it gave full-fledged benefits to those who applied, which is a permanent green card and eligibility for citizenship. This in no way, shape, or form is anything related to amnesty, as many are misnaming it for political reasons, of course. However, this is just a temporary program which will be in place for 3 years or until the new president comes in if they decide to cancel the program. What it is a simple work authorization for those that have been here in the United States. The criteria, or the little we know, they have to have been here for 5 years or more. They have to be in good standing, pass security clearances, pay their taxes, and pay a fee to apply. What they will get, they'll get a work permit that will not turn into a green card. This permit will allow them to work and live in the United States without fear, come out of the shadows, pay taxes, and hopefully go to college, start businesses, and help our economy flourish as many immigrants have in the past. What it is not, I clearly said, it is not an amnesty, and no one under this path will get anything permanent. Now, who qualifies? As I said, those with good moral character. So if you are listening and are intending to apply and have priors in your past, small things, not, of course, egregious crimes or felonies, you may be eligible. I recommend you see criminal counsel to see if they can vacate, modify somehow a conviction so that you may be eligible for this. And of course, they'll be running multiple background checks on everyone that applies. Now, what to do now? Please do not pay anyone to start this process. Do not go to notary publics. Lawyers, I've seen a lot of my colleagues, unfortunately, that have never done immigration law are all of a sudden taking immigration courses today so that they can get ready for this wave of applications and have no experience in immigration. Please seek an attorney that is part of AILA, the American Immigration Lawyers Association, and has at least 5 years experience in the field so that they can understand not only what this program is, anyone can read it, but all the nuances of past experience that could affect this application and the approvability or the denial factor for this case. Now, what to do also? I recommend that now is the time to start getting documents that immigration will be asking. For sure, and I've been doing this for 30 years. I did amnesty, I've done DACA, the Dreamer Deferred Action Program, and they always want to know who you are. They want to know, they want to see documents that are official, that tell us who you are, your identity. So I am telling people now to go to their consulates here in the United States, or in Los Angeles if they live in Los Angeles, to get their passports or their identification documents, get birth certificates for their children. Any of these documents that sometimes can be there may be a lengthy wait to obtain them, get them now, because guess what? In a few months, everyone's going to be requesting them, and it'll take months to get. And we want to help you be in line to be the first ones to be eligible once the window's open. When does the program start? It'll start in the spring. 90 to 120 days from now, this program will start. What to avoid? Scams, not only from attorneys that don't know anything about immigration and are just learning today, but also from notary publics and people that fill out income tax applications. Everyone's going to say that they have insight into these applications. Remember, if it gets denied, you may get denied and not be able to apply again. You may get denied and have to reapply and pay new fees. And you may get denied and prejudiced in some way. So you want a solid, good application. What does immigration want besides identity documents? They're going to want to see that you've been here for the last 5 years. Now is the time to go and gather from the different businesses you've done business with, doctors, dentists, ophthalmologists, and get letters stating that you have been a patient or a client with them. Medical records as well. Your kids' school records will show that you've been here. Income taxes, paycheck stubs, letters from your employer, to verify that you've been here the number of years that are required. Of course, utility bills, credit card bills, banking statements, all of this will be beneficial. So it's very important that you start preparing now. However, please do not sign contracts for something that no one, even me with my 30 years experience, knows what exactly immigration will be requesting. We have an idea, but we don't know exactly. So it's premature to pay someone or sign a contract. Be mindful, there will be a lot of scams in this area. And congratulations to all of those that have qualified. And I'm sorry for those that did not. However, Congress still has an opportunity, if not this year, in the next coming years, to do something to reform the immigration program and include the ones that were left out, and hopefully even the ones that are included in this executive action so that they can go towards a path of something permanent and get a green card. Thank you. Please share this video, and we look forward to sharing more as soon as we learn more.